welcome to Home Gardening 480. We've got a quick video for you today. Round 2, sweet potatoes. These are the starts that I got in the mail. I had ordered these from Gurney's. This variety is called Covington. It's supposed to provide a more uniform potato. I have them in a cup of water. I've had them, I think I received these Saturday, so today's Monday, so at least 2 days in this cup of water while I was waiting to be ready to plant them. They're ordered as a set of a dozen. I've counted them out. I have 15. They throw in some extras. Last year we planted them 1 foot apart along just one side of the bed. We found that they got so viney and sprawly that we could spread them out quite a bit. And I think if we spread them out, we're going to get a much bigger harvest this year. So this year I have left both sides of this bed open so that we're going to plant alternating sides to give each plant plenty of room to make plenty of potatoes. And these will not be harvested for at least 4 months. So it's going to be September or October before we harvest these anyway. So they're gonna fill up this whole bed. As you can see, these starts have plenty of leaves on them. I feel like they're gonna do great. They may look bad, but they're gonna do great. Also, they send with each order some little handouts about planting your potatoes, what to do, and then also they included in this one a sweet potato recipe handout. But either way, it's pretty simple. You make a quick hole, make sure you can fit your start in it, and then you cover it up. Make sure you water it, fertilize it, and in a few months you'll have loads of sweet potatoes. So here we go. So we've got them spaced 1 foot apart, but alternating sides so that they're not that close together. And hopefully we'll be getting a big harvest this fall. I do need to come along and add some basic fertilizer today. And then a month from now we'll fertilize them again. So that's something that you need to put on your calendar to do, because if you forget to do that, you're not going to get a lot of potatoes. But sweet potatoes are very easy to grow, and they're gonna make a very nice vine that's gonna cover this whole bed and overflow the sides. So watch and wait, and in the fall we'll have plenty of sweet potatoes.
Okay, well that's what we have for you guys today. Thank you guys for joining us on our videos and your support, and we'll see you guys on our next video.